So today I'll show you how to replace the screen of an Acer Mini. These laptops used to be known as a Packard Bell, but they are now Acer Mini. So first of all, I'm going to get a very flat object. It can be a screwdriver or a tweezer. Then I'll pry open the edges, after which I'm going to use my fingers to gently open it up. So you have to be as careful as possible in order not to break the screen if you are replacing only the touch, or break the touch if you are replacing only the screen. So I'm going to use my hand now to gently open it up. You have to be careful. There are some cables connected to the touch screen, so be careful with them not to cut the flex. So you can see it's open now, so I'll gently detach the cables connecting the touch to the screen. So finally the screen is out, and I'm going to gently replace it with another screen. So what I'm actually doing here is I'm taking the screen from another laptop itself. It's not a new screen, I'm removing it from another system. It's the same size of screen, so I'm going to transfer it into the other system. So this particular system here has another board problem, so I just want to use the screen to fix the other one that is okay.